The lungs are surrounded by sternum or chest bone and the rib cage in the front and the vertebrae or backbone on the back. The bony cage that protects the heart and lungs are called as the rib cage. The rib cage protects hearts and lungs. It is composed of 12 pairs of ribs with the costal cartilages and sternum. Ribs are flattened curved bones and are numbered 1 to 12. The sternum or the breastbone is a long flat bone located in the central part of the chest. It connects to the ribs via cartilage. The sternum or breastbone is a long flat bone located in the central part of the chest. It connects to the ribs via cartilages. The lungs are located in the chest behind the rib cage on the either side of the heart. The lungs are a pair of spongy air-filled organs. The lungs are a pair of spongy air-filled organs. The lungs are not equal in size and shape. The left lung is smaller in weight and capacity than the right. The left lung is slightly smaller, making space for the heart. The lungs are protected by two membranes called as pulmonary pleurae. A fluid is filled between these membranes to protect the lungs from injury and also aid in expansion of the spongy and elastic lung muscle as they slide one over the other. The diaphragm is a muscular region. The diaphragm is a muscle that is domed at the top and sits below the lungs involved in breathing. The total lung capacity is 5,800 milliliters.